Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn off shuffle play on Spotify mobile. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Spotify app. And now just go ahead and choose the song that you want or the playlist, okay? So here I'm just gonna choose any playlist that I have. And now as you can see at the left side of the play button, you can see the intersection. It's like the intersection line, right? So as you can see, that is color green. So that means that the shuffle play on my Spotify is enabled. So to turn that off, you want to click on that. And as you can see, now it is color gray. So that's it. That is how you turn off shuffle play on Spotify mobile. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.